Well, hello. Back at it. You got it. Today we're bringing you the 2013 BMW 3. No, not a 3. This is too big for that. 528i with XDrive. Oh yeah. This one here is got the look. It really does. It's got the look, baby. Yeah, it really does got the look. Wait until you see the outside of it. I mean, the inside's sweet too, but the exterior on this car has got just a sexy look about it. I really like. And so stay with me today right here on CCV at You Got It SMC. I'm always happy to share another car for sale with you. And yeah, some of y'all actually do end up coming by and doing some business with me. So thank you for that. All right, here we go. Right, everybody, y'all ready to see this BMW 5 Series? All right, here we go. I mean, just look at it, right? First off, just a nice, clean color. I really do. It's not silver, it's not like a dark gray, it's just a light shade of gray, which really kind of pops. I like it. The 5 Series is almost the perfect size sedan because it's got all the space you need on the interior. It's got a nice long wheelbase, so it's going to drive good on the interstate or highway. This one looks like somebody may have possibly added the black kidney grille in the front. Maybe aftermarket. I like it though. It really looks nice with that gloss black. Got the angel eye headlights, which look really good. They look like they're blinking, but they're not. That's just the frame rates. I always tell everybody that. But overall condition of the car, it's in beautiful shape. No major dents, dings, or scratches on her. I wish it had the M Sport package, which usually comes with the M Sport wheels and the heads-up display, but it's okay. It's great just the way it is. I like the 5 stars. Just a nice clean look. Bridgestone tires, got plenty of tread on them. You get your sunroof up top. Got the polished aluminum look going right around those windows. Now this one doesn't have any window tint on it, which kind of looks nice without tint, but yeah, you can put some tint on there, set things off a little more. Another thing I really like about this one here, and again, I'm not sure if this is aftermarket or came from the manufacturer, but the deck lid spoiler on the back is a little bit bigger than some of the ones you see on the 3 Series. And I just like the look of it, kind of how it just kind of really, to me, it just makes it look so much more sporty with that deck lid spoiler off the rear. I really do like that a lot. Man, it's a good looking car. It's kind of wide. I'm liking the taillights. I really like on the taillight how this part right here just kind of flares out. Again, just little things like that go into play with making the car look a little more aggressive, right? That menacing 5 Series look. Trunk is big for sure. Also got the XDrive, which is all-wheel drive. Under the hood is the twin turbo engine. So it's got plenty of pickup, low end and high end. Yeah, trunk's massive. I mean, that's a big trunk. Back seats fold down. You got the ski through the middle there. And it's got a power trunk. There is no backup camera on this one, which I find a little odd. You know, you got all these other features, but no backup camera, because most cars nowadays in 2021 have backup cameras, but whatever, you know. Not everybody needs a backup camera to drive their car. But as you saw, I mean, the exterior of the car is in beautiful shape. I mean, there's not really any flaws to be pointed out. I like the shark fin up there. Go ahead and take a look in the back seats. If you got kids or anybody riding in the rear, it's got plenty of leg room. And it's just very spacious. And to me, that's really at the end of the day that makes your decision on if you want a 3 Series or a 5 Series. So let me throw this at you real quickly. And it does have rear heated seats and all too. But okay, a 3 Series would, you know, with let's say 70 to 100,000 miles, similar package and all, it's probably going to run you around $13,900, $14,900, right? Somewhere in that range. You kind of go ahead and bump up a few grand to run into the 5 Series. This 5 Series here is around $16,900. So 16.9, 17,000. So again, you really got to see, you know, do I want to spend the extra to get the bigger car, or do I want to get the smaller car? Everybody has a little different preference on what size they want. Me personally, I'd go with the bigger car because I got kids. I want to go on a trip. I want more leg room, more comfort, and all that. Engine wise, you can get that same motor on the 3 Series that's inside of here. So I think to me, it's worth spending the extra couple thousand and bumping up to the 528. But the 3 Series is a really nice car as well. It's more compact in size. And so anyways, let me know in the comment section, what would you pick? Are you a 3 Series or a 5 Series person? All right. And let me show you how clean she is under the hood. Sometimes you got to pull them twice, not on this one for some reason. 72,000 miles on this 5 Series here today. Nice meaty tires, clean. I'll tell you, another great car at Southern Motor Company that we're selling. And look how clean she is under the hood. Got your TwinPower turbo, yeah. Very nice, looks really good. I like how BMW stamps their VIN numbers right under here like that. Bold, it's right in your face. Very nice, clean, solid car. Yeah, if it was an M Sport, it'd have your heads-up display set up right here. That to me is not a deal breaker, you know. I've never had a car with heads-up display, so I don't really know if it's that much of a needed option. It definitely does bring in the wow factor when you get in your car, and you know, especially at nighttime when that you can see what's going on the windshield there. But you know, it's not something. It's not a have to have. Very clean. This car's got most options that you want. It just doesn't have the backup camera, but it does got dual climate control. AC is ice cold, which I like. It's got the start stop engine button. It does have that feature that you can, where the engine shuts itself off at the stoplight and all that, which you can cut off, the auto start stop feature. You got your display screen there. It's kind of a nice widescreen setup. And your light controls are over here. Those are right there. But I mean, overall cleanliness, this car is in really beautiful shape. Roof looks good. Just overall, what a nice pre-owned 5 Series. You know, I'm looking for the thing to pull, but there isn't. You got to do it like that. Huh, I like that. Armrest, nice and big. Hit the button, open it up. You got a USB auxiliary in there. Trunk lock for valet. iDrive here, ashtray there if you need one. Electronic park brake, you got sport mode, comfort mode. One thing on BMWs that always happens once they get a little older is these buttons, the little stickers on them wear out. You can order stickers to go back over them if you wanted to do that. This opens up, you got your cup holders there. They're not the biggest cup holders in the world. You're not fitting a supersized McDonald's cup in there, but that's something also. European cars seem to always have smaller cup holders. And it does have the heated seats front and rear. Things to pay attention to on used cars to see how well they've been taken care of. Always look at your seatbelts. A lot of people don't pay attention to the seatbelts, but those seatbelts are dirty. You had a dirty person in there. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe you had a guy that, you know, was a mechanic or something. I don't know. I don't know how these things get so dirty sometimes on some people's cars. I mean, I've seen some of these seatbelt covers or seatbelts be filthy dirty. You wonder, like, how in the world did somebody get their seatbelt so dirty? You know, it's stuff like, I just don't get it, right? But it's almost like, how does somebody get their house so dirty, right? Well, some of us folks out there in the world that are try to keep things clean, or just clean in general, you know, we don't have to worry about getting things dirty because we just don't get dirty. But some people, and hey, that just depends on what you got going on, you know. If you depend on your job and what you do and all, I mean, you may just get dirty during the day. It depends on where you work at, what you do, you know. But I tell you, I've seen guys and girls that work for, you know, West Vaco, where the paper mill's at. I mean, you know, and their cars come in and they're just clean as can be, you know, and well, I'm just saying, people put plastics on the floors and on their seats, and some folks really just go the extra mile. But you know, at the end of the day, once you buy a car, it's your car, you can do what you want. But if you want to get top dollar for your car one day when it's time to trade in, you need to get it cleaned up quite nicely. That always makes for a better trade-in. So think about that, folks. A dirty car versus a clean car. I'm telling you, that clean car is going to bring you a little extra money when you go to trade in one day. Have a blessed day, and thanks for watching with me. I'm Chad with Southern Motor Company and Charleston Car Videos, and I would love to help you purchase your next pre-owned BMW. Thank you. Have a great day.